Remember a day my crutches broke while I was in the university, I think second year. I couldn't afford to buy crutches. Tukafanya mchango, we fundraise, we only able to get 300 shillings, yet crutches are 1,500 shillings. So I decided to go and borrow from office of the president, because there was somebody called Julius Sunguli, who is a Maasai like me, who was a Minister of Interior Security. But unfortunately, when we arrived there, Sunguli was out of the country. We did not have these cell phones those days, so you don't know where the person is. So because of those who carried me, they were very tired. So even a certain, I think an AP, administrative police officer, sympathized with us. Because instead of me being shocked, it was those who carried me who were more shocked, because they realized now they have to carry me back to the university. So he sympathized with us. But when he inquired about why we went there, we told him I was crawling, and I showed him my wounds. So he sympathized with us. He told us there is an assistant minister called William Ruto, because that is the time that we started meeting with William Ruto, and he's a Christian. So we can go there, you can request if they can assist you. So we went and saw William Ruto, a young man. He sympathized with me. In fact, when I showed him my wounds and told him my story, how I was crawling, he started shedding tears. And the moment he started shedding tears, even me, I knew this is a jackpot. Because a whole assistant minister shedding tears, my friend, you know that is real money. So he asked me how much is crutches. I told him anything you have. Because I knew if I told him it is 1,500, he will give me money to the neighborhood of 1,500. So he gave me 20,000. In fact, my disability almost disappeared. You know, as a student to get 20,000, I was limping in that period. So we went to the waiting room. He wanted to give me his number, but I did not even get the number, because already I knew I was very rich. So when I went to the waiting room, I told those who carried me to office of the president that each of them, I'll give them 1,000 because of what they have done. But they told me they know the price of the crutch. It is 1,500. That one aside, and then the remaining we divide by 3. I told them, no, is that your story? When William Ruto shed tears because of you? No, it was my story that made William to shed his tears. So this is my money. So they told me, now you can crawl all the way from the OP to the University of Nairobi. We had to divide anyway, equally, the amount. But anyway, that is another story. That is how we met the first day that we met with William Ruto. And we have become friends, and we have maintained our friendship ever since. So in a nutshell, it was very difficult. I'm not going for any elective position. And that does not mean an exit from politics. My mission now is just to make sure that William Ruto is safely in State House, because I believe in his policies. I believe in his bottom-up economic model. I have worked with him for a long time. When I was the chairman, National Council for Persons with Disability, chairman, East African Council for Persons with Disability, and even way back when I was the chairman of SONU in the University of Nairobi, while he was just an assistant minister. A young man at the age of 20-something was as an assistant minister. So we were working with him, and from that time, I trust that he is the one to change Kenya. In fact, he will do much better, 10 times than what Kibaki did. So if Kenyans believed in what Kibaki did, then I'm telling them that William Ruto will do 10 times what Kibaki did.